not a how-to, me having fun and helping me grow on my woodworking journey. Come along. I'm messing around in the shop today. Cold weather's starting to set in and I'm getting my craft on. I'm going to try this design, possibly with Intarsia. Where I struggle, and I don't know how these scroll saw artists do this, is they manage to get all of the grain going the same direction. So I'm going to try and see if I can get that to work. But I have to map it out first. I'm going to do it on some Baltic birch for the background. And we'll see how that goes. I decided that numbering the feathers might be the best way to go. And then I'm putting them on different colors of wood. What I'm worried about is once I put the blue tape on and the adhesive, finding the same angles that they are on the turkey with the wood, but still having the grain match up. I've got these cut out, and now I need to just figure out the sanding part to get them to match up pretty evenly. Accuracy is the key. I started out with the feathers trying to match them up on the side, and then I realized it would be much better if I just made the feathers behind like that. So I've got to do some sanding. I'm going to do the feet and the nose. I kind of really want to do googly eyeballs on this guy, but I don't know if that's going to detract or not. I think he's cute. I like it. I'm going to pencil in where I want all the feathers to go and then slowly sand each one so they're butted up against one another a little better. This should be an interesting process. So I've spent some time sanding each one of these to try and get them to not have any gaps in between. There is some discrepancies, but I'm hopeful that with this on here at just the right angle, it'll look great. I think it's cute. You're not supposed to see the backer board, so I've got to figure out something here. Because how I did this, I can't go lower or the gaps on the inside start to show. Maybe come up with a stand of some sort. I'll have to ponder. We have a few steps left in my turkey. So this is what the front looks like. And I'm going to make it so it's like, you know how you have a picture standing up? So this is going to fold in. I'm going to put a bracket and make it fold. But I thought that it would be good to have the back black. And I may actually have to get paint out. So I thought this, because this is a paint pen, I thought that this might work, but it doesn't seem to be doing that great of a job. So I gotta go get my black paint.